Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to list your property on booking.com. Now first of all we just need to move to our admin account inside the booking.com. To do this you can just click on list your property, or you can just click on your profile, go to my account and scroll down, and at the end you will see an option called list your property. So just click on this option, list your property, and now they will ask you to like create your account or log in. So just make sure to log in or create a new account with your Gmail address. And once you have made an account on the admin account, so just click on create new listing, or you will see a similar option like this one to list your property. So let it load. So you will be at this page after logging in, like entering your email address, choosing a password, and they will ask you to list your property on booking.com and start welcoming guests. So you can select your property. Let's say I want to select the apartment. So just click on apartments, select it. Either you have one apartment or multiple, just click on continue, and they'll ask you one apartment where guests can book the entire place. Click on continue, and they will ask you like where else is your property listed. If you have your property listed on any other link, so you can just click it. Otherwise just click on this option, my property isn't listed on any other website. Let's say you have listed property, you can just go to Airbnb, paste the link. Otherwise you can select this option like my property isn't listed on any other website. Just click on continue, and after that they will ask you the name of your property. Let's say I name it demo property 2. Just name the property, click on continue, and they will ask you to enter your address. Now let's say make sure to enter the correct address, whichever the address of your property is, and they will ask you to enter the apartment number, the details, everything. So just enter all those details and click on continue. And once you click on continue, so they will ask you to basically connect a channel chamber. Either do you want to connect or no. So just click on no if you don't want to. And after that, if they will ask you like further details like living room, bedroom, how many guests can stay, how many bathrooms, and make sure to select all those details and select the apartment size as well. Let's say I want to select this one. Make sure to enter the correct details. At these details, you have air conditioning, the kitchen, cooling system. Make sure to select everything that you have inside your apartment or house or whatever property you're listing. Just click on continue. And after that, do you serve breakfast, parking? Is your parking available? Yes, free. Otherwise, just click on no. Click on continue. Make sure to enter the correct details. Click choose the language. Scroll down, click on continue. Complete all these steps like smoking allowed. Do you allow pets? No. Yes. Check-in time, check-out time. Make sure to add all those details. Just click on continue. And this is the last step, like hosting, here help your listing in another. Like, do you want to select it, the neighborhood, the host, the property? Otherwise, just click on none of the above. I'll add these later. Just click on continue, and after that they will ask you to enter the photos. Make sure to enter the correct photos, the clear photos of your property. And once you have entered the photos, they will ask you for the uh, pricing and the calendar. So you can just select it, that is your choice. Can instantly what is the price, make sure to enter the price, the correct price. And once you have entered, they will ask you some legal information as well, like I'm an individual running this business or I represent the business. Select the option, just click on continue, and after that your property will be listed, or you can say will be sent live in the booking.com. Now that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.